How to create shared photo album on iPhone step by step. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a shared photo album on your iPhone. So to do this for yourself, what basically you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your albums, you're going to click on the plus icon in the top left, and you're going to click on new shared album. Now, once you do that, what you do is you can give it a name. And once you give it a name, who is it to? So basically, to add the two, what you can do is you can either add in their email or you can add in, whoever you want to work along with. So let's say I'm going to add these users. Once we do that, we're going to click on create. Okay. And once you click on create, here we have it. So once this is done, what you can start doing is you can actually start adding things in this album of yours. Okay. But yeah, generally that is how you're going to be going ahead and creating a shared photo album on iPhone in a step-by-step procedure. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.